Everyone, in today's video we will fix the Frigidaire stand-up freezer green light blinking, alarm meaning, temp fix and reset guide. The fix one, you can check power supply. Make sure the freezer is properly plugged into the wall outlet. Then check if the outlet is working by plugging in another device. If you are using an extension cord, remove it and plug the freezer directly into the outlet. Then reset the circuit breaker if it has a tripped. Fix 2, you can reset the freezer. Unplug the freezer from the power outlet, then wait for around 5 to 10 minutes and plug it back in. Then you can wait a few minutes and see if the green light stop blinking. The fix 3, you can check the temperature setting. Open the freezer door, locate the temperature control dial or digital panel. Make sure it's set to the recommended settings, usually mid or around 0 Fahrenheit, means minus 18 degrees Celsius, and close the door and give it a few hours to stabilize. Goodbye.